Hey, Wall Street winners. It is just before noon on May the 7th, and I just wanted to talk briefly about buying the dip. So what you can see here is the trading range for NVDA today. And this stock opened down for the day. It's obviously down $12 now, about 1.31% based on where it's trading at. But as we started into trading hours, which is in around here at 9:30, it dropped, and then within the first 15 minutes, or half an hour, it dropped again. This is 9:54. Now, this was the first of two drops. It then started to climb back, but then it dropped again here at 10:18. So the pattern to follow today was wait for this. I said in my pre-market setup video today, wait for the first 15 to 30 minutes to see what a stock is going to do. And this stock was definitely trending downwards. So at that point, you just want to start to wait to select a time to buy in. And whether you bought in here, or you waited a little bit more and bought in here, or got lucky and bought in at the lowest it went to, you were in really good shape anywhere in this area up to 10:42 a.m. from 9:54. So basically this 1 hour of trading gave you an excellent opportunity to buy in. And now what we're starting to see is the stock is starting to recover. So there have been multiple opportunities to get in, probably get out here, and then wait for it again, and then probably get back in here, and then have it pop up again. And that's how I've played this today, and that's what we're looking for. Now, at the same time, what we want to look at is what the NASDAQ's doing. Now, if the NASDAQ was falling, I wouldn't be following this pattern because I would be expecting NVIDIA to continue to decline. But the NASDAQ has started to recover because you can see that between this period here, which is 9:52, and this period here, 10:30, maybe even 10:44, so that same hour of trading where NVIDIA was down, the NASDAQ was down. But now the NASDAQ started to come back, so NVIDIA should do the same. So I bought in. I'm taking a couple of nice profits today on that. I hope you can do the same by finding and looking for these same patterns.